Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. As some of you may know, I play a lot of Freecell on my computer and I have been posting a few of my high scores. Today I will be showing you live how I actually play the game. There's no cheat mode, there's no hack mode. I have just become very good at playing the cards and foreseeing my next few moves. So I will actually show you how I do this live as I go forward and break the record. So here we're going to load up the game. I choose random. I play randomly. I don't always play the hard ones because it's good to have an easy run sometimes. So I will choose play. It's set on random, so here we go. So I'm looking forward ahead of time as to what cards I need to play and how I can get them out. So there I was able to get the ace of clubs out. Now I need to get my hands on that two of clubs. So I'm quickly scanning around the window. How can I do this? Here we go. Now making a few empty columns spare. And here I can see the finish coming up. Just need to get that 5 out. And here we are, home and hosed. So there you go, there's a live game for you of how it's done. So we'll just go through to the statistics and find out what the record was. Here we go. And the statistics show 1100 games played, 1100 games won, 100%. That's my record, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. No, you're not watching anymore. Bye.